Okay, so next we have the logical functions. Okay, so in that we are going to see if and the or very first, and then we'll go with the in and the switch statement. Okay, for that I have to go with the Power BI file and then click on this data tab. Okay, and over here we have this data. So I want row-wise operation, so definitely I have to go with the new column. Okay, so let's click on that and we'll wait to get a formula bar. Okay, so we have this column. If you want to provide the column name, you can. Okay, so let's say salary status, we can provide. Okay, salary status. Okay, and then over here you have to write the formula. If salary, okay, if salary, let's do one more time. Salary is greater than 50,000. 1, 2, 3. Then I have to provide one text called as good payment. Okay, or else I have to pass as a bad payment. Okay, like this. Once that done, just close the bracket and enter it. Okay, and you will get the column over here, and it will automatically calculate by using this condition. Okay, whether it's a good payment or bad payment for each employee. Okay, and of course we are going to utilize this column for our reporting purpose. So whatever column or measure we are creating, we can utilize them for reporting purpose. So let's go in the report canvas. So I will show you how you can utilize it. Instead of this slicer with name, I will change to the salary status. Okay, and remove the name. I don't want. Okay, and from here you can easily identify. So these are the employees who is earning a good as compared to this bad payment mode. Okay, like this. So these are the employees. They have the bad payment, and these are the employee. They have the good payment. Okay, so easily you can identify it by using calculated column. Okay. Now next, if I want to use and the or operator, so let's understand very first. And means you have to be satisfied both the condition. Okay, then it will become a true. Okay, in and case. In our case, either or else, any condition will satisfy, it will show the result as a true. So let's see practical example. If and, okay, logical condition 1. So I will put city, okay, equals to Pune. Logical condition 2, name, okay, equals to Raj. Then, okay, then I want to pass message as a Maharashtra, or else I want to pass as a unknown. Okay, unknown. Bracket close and enter. Okay, so whatever string value you are passing, it will come in the double quote. Okay, so let it run and we'll see the result. So, and city equals to Pune and name equals to Raj. Okay, so both condition satisfied. Then over here, it will display as a MH. Okay, and for rest of it, it will display as a unknown as per this condition. Okay, so let it complete and we'll check it out. See, okay. And let's say if you don't want to provide this event, you want to provide the city by default, which we have, then just put the city column name over here and just enter it again. Okay, and then it will show all the city name excluding this first. Okay, that is Maharashtra. Now, as we discuss, and is nothing but condition needs to be satisfied, whatever condition you are providing. Let's say I will put over here one dummy name called as test, which is not present in this particular name column. So definitely it will not work out. It will not show MH, but it will show the city Pune. Okay. See. Okay, so it's not satisfying the condition. And if we go with the OR operator, okay, if we go with the OR operator, then it will show as a MH because one condition has satisfied. Okay, that's why it's showing OR operator. And the result is MH. Okay. Now next, let's say if I want to add one more condition, then I have to use nested OR like this. Okay. Then pass one more condition and then check it out the result. But instead of going this OR nested OR, I will show you one simple method where you can achieve similar result. Let's say city equals to Pune. Okay. City equals to Pune. And you have to use this pipe symbol. Okay. Name equals to Raj. Then I want to show MH. Okay. Else unknown. Okay. And then bracket close and enter. So see, this code, it looks like good as compared to the previous. Previous one is very messy. Or nested or nested or. Okay. See. And similar thing you can do for the AND operator as well by using the ampersand sign. This one. Okay. So this is nothing but your if, and the or. Okay. Now next we have switch and the in. So let me show you the switch. Okay. So very first you have to go with the switch function, and there are two parts. One with expression and without expression you can use switch. So first I will go with without expression city. Okay, I'm passing the column name. If I get the Pune as city, then I want to show as MH. Okay. Let's say if I am getting the city as Akola, then again I have to pass as a MH. Okay. Same if I am getting the city as Nagpur, then I have to pass as a value MH. Okay. So see how many times I am typing this thing. Okay. And if nothing, then I have to pass the unknown value over here. Okay. The result. Okay. So for Pune, Akola, Nagpur, it will become MH. And for the rest, it will become a unknown. Okay. So let it run and we'll see the result. See over here, MH, 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 and then unknown. Okay. But similar thing I have to achieve by using the expression. So let me show you how it's easy. Okay. So you have to use true function to write the expression under the switch. And then after that, you have to pass the column. Let's say city in operator I'm going to use. And whenever you use in operator, you have to provide the curly bracket. Okay. And I am going to provide the city name over here. Let's say Nagpur. Okay. Kola. And over here, Pune. Okay. Once we get this all city, then I have to pass the message as MH. Okay. Or else city. I can do now city. Okay. Enter. So you can identify over here city names and MHMH. Okay. So let it run and we'll see the result. See. So this is nothing but your logical function where you can utilize a nice way. Okay. Thanks guys.